Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best men's running shoes on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Saucony Endorphin Speed 2. The Saucony Endorphin Speed 2 is our overall winner for its lightweight, responsive design that we loved for all of our workouts. Saucony has done a great job combining ample cushioning with a responsive midsole that feels fresh and spring-like. We kept coming back to this model for our long runs and tempo efforts, as this model's overall comfort and speed stand above the rest. A great rocker design kept us on our toes and applying force to the ground. Our stride with this model felt smooth and explosive. The upper material feels made for performance, and we appreciated the rubber outsole design, which was light but added some confidence in wet conditions. The long-term durability of this model may not be up to your standards if you are running on rough surfaces. While we experienced no issues during our testing, this is a lightweight design, and the rubber outsole will wear faster than those with heavier outsoles. This model did not score as highly in the support and stability category, prioritizing maximum rigidity. We think this shoe is for those seeking a lightweight trainer with the best cushion-to-response ratio. Number 2. Our second best pick is Saucony Kinvara 13. Created for speed, the lightweight design of the Saucony Kinvara 13 tells you just that. From its lower overall stack height to its 4mm heel-to-toe drop, this model is best for shorter distances where speed truly matters. We were impressed with its subtle cushion, which works excellent for aggressive users who are light on their feet. The thin upper is a performance fit, holding the toes and midfoot snug while keeping the heel locked in place. It is also very breathable, which we loved when the runs got hotter during the day. Some runners may find this model overly harsh if you are not light on your feet. The 4mm heel-to-toe drop can beat your calves up if you are not well conditioned. Although we wish it had a more durable outsole, we can't complain, given the minimal weight. We think this shoe is for experienced runners who know their form and try to run as midfoot to the forefoot as possible. We would not recommend this to beginners or those who need more cushion or rigidity in their everyday trainer. If you already have a well-cushioned model, we would recommend adding this to your quiver of options. Number 3. Our third best pick is HOKA 11 Mach 4. The HOKA 11 Mach 4 impressed us with its ability to provide lots of cushioning while still being responsive. With its low weight, long runs felt awesome and left us with much less fatigue than some other competition. Their Profly compound felt responsive, and the cushioning never felt like it bottomed out or created a dull or unenergetic sensation. A wider platform and ground feel due to a 5mm heel-to-toe drop makes this shoe feel lively and confident. A thinner upper design creates a sensation of no upper and your foot and foam all as one unit. Even in temperatures reaching 100 degrees, we felt cool and experienced less sweating than other models in this weight range. We did not experience any durability issues with this model, but the outsole has zero rubber and only exposed foam. This exposed foam did not degrade during our testing, but we do not expect this to last as long as a more rugged rubber outsole. This would not be the first model we would suggest to those looking for maximum support and stability, but we don't think the low drop and weight should deter you. This shoe is for those looking for additional comfort in a responsive shoe. If you want to give the HOKA cushioning a try but feel concerned about it being overkill, we recommend starting with this model because we also found it extremely fast and light. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Nike Zoom Fly 4. The Nike Zoom Fly 4 has a lineup-leading responsiveness that feels agile and nearly instantaneous. The internal carbon plate is stiff and limits energy loss, leaving every takeoff point feeling firm and efficient. Paired with an ultra-comfortable knit upper that locks in the foot, this is one of the fastest-feeling models we tested. We think this is great for long runs and tempo efforts where the shoe helps maintain performance even when the fatigue starts to set in. Some users will find this model a bit harsh because of the stiffness, and we think it's better for more experienced runners because of this. You are rewarded for forefoot striking where you will receive the most absorption from your muscles. Nike is known for a more narrow platform, so users with above average width or volume could find the shoe a bit constricting. Overall, we were very impressed with this model and loved running in it. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Brooks Adrenaline GTS 22. The Brooks Adrenaline GTS 22 provided the best support and stability across all the tested models. Thanks to their guide rail technology, our feet felt planted and grounded, which translated well up into our ankles and knees. This model maintains the priority of support and stability by using moderate cushioning and a high heel-to-toe drop of 12 mm. There is a subtle compression under the forefoot while the heel and midfoot feel solid and stable. We like the moderate arch support that works well with the stretch laces and thicker tongue, which we normally don't prefer, but we quite liked on this model. These shoes often felt a bit slow due to their stable design, and we wish there was more responsiveness. Readers that emphasize support and stability will find this model most suited to your needs. If you have issues with pronation or are a heel striker, these could help compensate for this type of running. People who generally find themselves without needing stability assistance may still prefer this model for its grounded feel and higher drop if they struggle with Achilles or lower leg problems. We know Brooks is popular for its classic designs and are glad they are still offering these models to the people who love them. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.